I was shocked about what I saw. Like tens of cars were setting on fire. People were burned inside the cars. There were the bodies outside the cars. I don't know. I don't know from where to start to take pictures.
So I arrived, and then I took that position right here, and in order to have a good vision on that building that was really damaged and where a lot of people were working there, emergency service, they tried to take out some bodies. There was dead people, there was people still alive, they are trapped in their building. One of the photos that I was moved by yesterday was a woman was rescued from the 8th floor. She was trapped there. She was in good condition, but she was in panic. So then she was taken by the firefighter truck, taken in a huge ladder, and then taken down. So that moment, her face was, I think, you know, something I feel. Something when I took the photo, and obviously was, I think, impacting photo.
كان في سقف تحت نار كبيرة، كان فوقيه ناس. حجم النار كان مش طبيعي، يعني كنت اتوقع انه راح يكون في مخزن للبنزين او اي شيء، لانه النار كانت مش طبيعيه. وتحت فوق هذا في ناس كانت عم تمشي. كان الوضع خطير جدا، يعني لانه ممكن باي لحظه هذا السقف ينزل ويؤدي كمان الناس اللي اجت تسعف.
Usually we focus on the Beirut suburb, but this time the strikes was from very far away from the suburbs till Beirut. We're talking about a huge area, and I didn't accept that. I didn't imagine it will be from south till North Beirut. I didn't know even where the strikes it is hitting, so I start looking left, right, shooting. So the strikes was too much that I couldn't even cover everything.